Hi viewers! Welcome to the next section of the course, Code Reusability and Refactoring the Code. In this section, we will learn how to create shared classes and use them in the serverless functions. We will also learn how to migrate the existing background applications into Azure functions with minimum efforts. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with creating a common code repository for better manageability. In this video, we will discuss the features that Azure functions provide related to code architecture and reusability. In our RegisterUser function, we could refactor the code into multiple classes and functions. However, we will not focus on refactoring all the code, but we will just pull out the code related to sending the emails. Let's create a new function by clicking on this plus icon. We will simplify the search by selecting language as C# and the scenario as all. From all the template options, we will select ManualTrigger, C# template, with the name Shared Classes. Then click on Create button. Once the trigger is created, navigate to the View Files tab. Here, click on the Add button and enter the file name as Helper.csx. After that, we need to paste this block of code in this file. This code accepts all the information required for sending an email using SendGrid. Click on Save button to save all the changes in the Helper.csx file. Now, let's make the changes to the run method of the RegisterUser function. So, we will open the run.csx file, and this is the code file where we need to perform the changes. Basically, this code of the RegisterUser function can use the sendMail shared method. This is the updated run method that uses the sendMail method of shared classes. Click on the Save button to save the changes in the run.csx file. One of the limitations of these shared classes is that you cannot use the Helper class in other Azure Function apps. We will look at how to overcome this limitation in a moment, using the class libraries in Visual Studio. All the changes that you make to these shared classes should be reflected in the caller functions automatically. If, by any chance, you don't see these changes reflected in the caller functions, navigate to the host.json file using App Service Editor. Typically, this would happen if your script files are located in other directories. Moving further, we will navigate to the function app. Under the platform features, we will go to the App Service Editor, which is available under the Development Tools sections. Here, you need to sign in with your email address. We will add the watch directories attribute to the host.json file. So we have successfully added the watch directories attribute as shared classes in the host.json file. Let's execute the run method of RegisterUser function by clicking on the Run button. Once the file is executed, we can view the output in the log section as shown on the screen. We can see that the function is successfully completed. After the code is executed successfully, we will go to our email portal. Here, we can check the output as we have received an email notification successfully. In this video, we created a common code repository for better manageability within a function app.